boy, these big ass head is these going around. Like, Lord have mercy. Hey my gems, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I go from this to this. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Alright, so today the perm, I'm going to be perming my hair and styling it. The perm that I'm using, I'll leave a picture of it right here. It's just for me, a kitty perm. I do not use an adult perm because it burns my head too bad. So I always use this just for me. And no, I don't go in with no brush. I'm old school, baby. I do it with my hands. And I think it applies quicker when you do it with your hands. That brush just takes too long. So I'm going back to the way your grandma do it in the kitchen. All you hairstylists, don't come on here. Don't come on here with your foolishness about that's not the right way to do it. Because I know your grandma, your mom, or your auntie, whoever permed your hair back in the days, they did with their hand. It wasn't no damn brush. It was your hand and a comb. And they got the job done. So don't come over here with the little fancy tricks and tips. I don't need it. I don't want it. Because this right here works just fine for me. You see that? It works. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this perm all over my head. I'm looking down right here because this is where my mirror at. I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over my head. And then I'll come back when I'm pressing it in. Alright guys, so I'm back. I have applied the perm all over my head. So what I'm doing now is just working it in until it's time for me to go rinse it out. I do not like my hair super straight, so I just rub it in enough so that it's straight into my liking. I don't like bone straight hair because when you go to style it, it has no volume, no nothing. It's just flat. And that's one thing that I don't like. So I don't leave my perm in long. It's more like a texturizer, but I can't call it a texturizer because I actually use a perm. So, but I do have to make sure the back of my hair is straight because back there was all natural. So when I shaved it down. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and work this in, and then I'll be back after I wash it to show you guys how I mow down my hair to get ready to go under the dryer. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm back. I have washed my hair. Just having my little head wrap that I put on after I wash it. So now, as you guys can see, my hair is straight. I'm gonna be looking over here because this is where my hair is. But now I'm going to mow my hair down and get under the dryer. I hate being under the dryer. Oh, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. My hair takes so freaking long to dry. Listen, I'll be under the dryer for like 2 hours. I hate it. I like the fact that I got thick hair, but I don't like the fact that it takes forever to dry. Just go ahead and get this part right. Alright. But it's about as straight as I'm gonna get it. So I'm gonna go ahead with my, what is this, Cream of Nature mousse. I like to put a lot of mousse on my hair and slick it down. Not really on this portion. Sometimes I don't even mold that portion down. You know what? As a matter of fact, I'm not gonna mold it down today. I'm not gonna mold that portion down today. wipe my hand off. Go ahead and pull this section off and mold the bottom portion down. And then this part here, I'll just comb it forward to get it out my way for right now while I'm molding my hair down. And then when I put my styling wax strips on it, I'll comb it to the side because I want it to dry in the direction that I'm going to be flat ironing it anyway. So yeah. You see, it's time to get it cut. Excuse me. Oh, y'all probably think, girl, that's a lot. But this is how I do my hair. You know, to each his own. I'm just showing you guys how I mold my hair down to get ready to go under the dryer. Alright, I got everything how I like it now. No need to waste product. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my wrapping strips. I like to start at the top first. Go ahead and move this out of the way. Alright, so I'm back. I had to go and get my other box. I don't really like the white ones because they're so damn big. But all my black ones gone. And the one I just had ripped on, so yeah. I had to go and get my white ones. These are my backups. I had to go and get these because I don't have no more black ones. I'm so sad about that. And then I like to take another strip. I know that's a lot of noise. Another strip and put it at the bottom. Let me get this strip right because I'm looking crazy. Alright, I'm gonna need one more because the bottom of my head is not covered up. Y'all can see it kind of like right here. Boy, these big ass head is these going around. Like, Lord have mercy. I'm gonna start cutting these shits in half. Save some money. Alright, now that I got all these papers on my head, I'm gonna go ahead and just comb this vein portion over to my right side because that's the side that I want my vein. So, I'm gonna go ahead and get under this dryer, and I'll be back, guys, when it's time for me to style my hair. Alright, guys, so I'm back. It's been about 30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and take these papers off. Let's feel it. I can feel it. Alright, I'm gonna go back under the dryer because the back of my hair is still wet. It's not gonna take 2 hours like I thought it was, but I'll be back when it's dry. Alright guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and bumped the sides of my hair already. So I'm gonna just go ahead and add these tracks and style the top. I'm not gonna be talking during this portion. I'm more than likely gonna fast forward through this portion of the video, but maybe not, I don't know. I'm gonna just go ahead and start installing these tracks at the top of my head, and I'll come back when I'm done.